So this time we're going to be building a Zapier Zap, which sends us an email when we receive a Weave mail. So we add the Arweave app to the start of our Zap, and we get some sample transactions from the network. So this shows us the kind of content that we're getting from the network. We're not interested in that first transaction, but this second transaction actually happens to be another Weave mail that's been sent on the network. So that's very helpful. So now we add a filter. And what this allows us to do is remove transactions from the stream, so stop executing our Zap if the contents of this filter are not matched. So what we're looking for this time is that the app name tag matches exactly to permamail. That is, the transaction in question is a permamail. And then we also want to say the to tag is exactly our Weave mail address. So this time I wasn't the recipient of the Weave mail, so it wouldn't match, but that message there tells you for the future, whether or not your filter is working. So now we want to send an email via Gmail, and it's already attached to my account. So we set a to. For now we'll be using test@arweave.org, but you can set this to whatever your personal or business mail address is. So we'll set the human readable name so that it shows up in Gmail as Weave mail notifications. We also set a subject and a body. So for the moment, we'll be using a flat body, a sort of generic one for every kind of Weave mail we receive. But you can actually add what's called a text formatter, which allows you to take some content from the transaction and use it to generate a piece of text that we can then put in email, which is variable depending on the contents of who the Weave mail is from. So we send a test one, and my phone buzzes. Great. And then we just have to give it a name and turn it on.